Okay, students, in this video now we will discuss these inbox questions just to think what we have read. So the first question which you can see here is, from where did the paddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap? So just remember, in the very beginning we read it, since the paddler found it difficult to survive, he was at the receiving end of people's mercy. That means he was not able to arrange for both hands meal. He was struck with the idea that the whole world about him was nothing but a big rat trap, and it sets the baits for people in form of, what you can say, riches and joys, shelter and food, just as a rat trap offered cheese and pork to trap the rats. So when he was thinking about his rat traps, he got the idea that the entire world is a big rat trap. Why was he amused by this idea? Because the world has never been kind to him. So, just thinking ill of others, he felt amused. Did the peddler accept the kind of hospitality that he received from the crofter? No, because the peddler did not expect the kind of hospitality of the crofter. Because wherever he has gone, he has been chased away all the time, who not only provided him the shelter but gave him the porridge, you can say, and offered tobacco. So because wherever he had sought the shelter on the long journey, he had received a cold response from the people. He had been all the time, you can say, chased away. So he never expected that this man would give him such hospitality. Why was the crafter so talkative and friendly with the paddler? Because he was an old man. He was a lonely person without any wife or children. So he was very happy to have a guest to whom he can talk, to whom he can share his confidences, to whom he can offer his hospitality. So he was very friendly. Why did he show the 30 kroner to the paddler? It is having the metaphorical meaning. He just showed it to show that 30 kroners as a proof that he had earned this money by selling the milk of the cow. This is the only source of income now to him. But metaphorically, he had shown it just a bait, just to attract him to be caught. Did the peddler respect the confidence respond in him by the crofter? We can say flatly no, because the crafter showed the money with the confidence that he is my good friend, but the guest stole the money on the very next day and went away. So we can say that he did not respect the confidence shown by the crafter in him. Moving on to the next inside question, or you can say blue box questions. This is on page number 37. Now on this page we find three questions. First of all, what made the paddler think that he had indeed fallen into a rat trap? Yes, you remember when he was caught in the forest, when he was not able to come out of that forest, he felt, because after the stole of the crofter's money, he tried to escape, but he was not able to move on the public highway with the fear that he would be caught. So he had to change his way to the forest. But after moving in the forest for hours and hours together, when he was not able to get any way out, then he thought that he had taken the bait and he had got trapped in it. Why did the iron master speak kindly to the paddler and invite him home? It's very simple. because the headmaster thought that he was his acquaintance, his comrade, his well known friend, and because he is facing nowadays the bad days, so he offered him to come to home and enjoy with him. So, and why did the peddler decline? Why he was refusing? Decline means refusing, because he knew the fact that he is not a known of the iron master, and moreover he has stolen the money of the crafter. So if he goes to the iron master's house, it is just throwing himself voluntarily in the den of the lion. That means to put himself in the problem knowingly. So he just declined the offer. He was just saying no, 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 that he is not willing to go with him. Now moving on to the next inside questions, page number 41. What made the paddler accept Adela Wimbledon's invitation? Why he accepted that Adela, whatever she said, he can move to her house with her without any doubt? Yes, the paddler accepted Adela's invitation because she took him by hand so kindly and so compassionately. She was very friendly, that he felt assured that he would be facing no danger while going with Adela to her home. Now, next, what doubts did Adela have about the paddler? But when he saw the paddler first, you can say, then she thought either the man has stolen something or he has just run away from the jail, because he is so afraid. So this was the doubt in Adela's mind. When did the iron master realize his mistake? You remember on the next day when Adela was making the table for the breakfast, the father and daughter were discussing about. At that moment, the guest was taken into the room for the breakfast. He was bathed, he was shaven, he was given a haircut by the servant, you can say. And when he was seen in the daylight, no doubt he was well groomed, but the iron master was not happy, because now he realized that the paddler was a victim of mistaken identity, you can say. He has mistaken him to be his old acquaintance, to be a comrade. What did the paddler say in his defense when it was clear that he was not the person the iron master had thought he was? Obviously, he very clearly said that he never pretended to be anything what he was not. He never said that I am your friend, I am a comrade. No, I am your old acquaintance. He never pretended like this, never showed like this. And moreover, he requested and begged to be allowed to stay in the forge yesterday night. It was the compulsion from the iron master's side to come to home. Rather, his daughter compelled him to come to home. He never wanted to be taken home by them. Why did Adela still entertain the paddler even after she knew the truth? Why she wanted him to be at home to enjoy the Christmas with them? She continued to entertain the paddler because she felt sorry for the poor man. Now she knows that wherever he has gone, he has been chased away regularly. He was not able to get even a single day of rest and peace anywhere. Wherever he went, people chased him away. Every time he was in a danger of, he was in a fear of, you can say, being arrested, being questioned by the police, by the people. So she felt really sorry for the man. And she wanted to make even one day more comfortable and more Christmassy for this man whom she has taken home as a guest. Coming to the next page, on the last, why was Adela happy to see the gift left by the paddler? Do you remember what was the gift that? When she came back from the church, she was informed that the paddler had gone and he had left a gift for Adela Wimbledon. When she just took the gift, she gave a cry of joy. Why? Because that was a small rat trap. She was so happy because the paddler has reformed himself and had not let her down. He had kept her trust in him. So she was so happy. Why did the peddler sign himself as Captain Wonsdale? You know, he was not a captain, he was not a comrade at all, but still he signed the letter as Captain Wonsdale because he has been raised to the level of a captor by Adela. She treated him so well, so respectfully, with dignity, that he felt himself to be a real captain. And what should be the character of the captain? He responded in the same way. She never let her feel down because of the peddler, because of the rat trap vagabond. So he signed because now he was able to clean his soul, he was able to redeem himself, he was able to reform himself, he was able to change the way of life. It was just because of the love, compassion, respect, and regard shown by Adela towards him. So that's all about the inside questions. In the next video, we will discuss some more important questions, long as well as short.